So today, well, wasn't good. I actually lost around $10,000 overnight. I woke up today and I looked at my portfolio and I was like, oh, what's happening? So let's talk about what's been going on. I'm going to give you guys a bit of, I guess, my thoughts and predictions on what's happening. And yeah, you know, it's not the best video to make. I didn't want to make this type of video today, but you know what? The markets are the markets, all right? So let's get started. Now, we're going to talk about in this video if the bull run is over, my predictions, certain coins that I think people should look into now and buy now. Again, obviously, this is not financial advice, and these are just my opinions and thoughts, okay? So I want to start off the video by saying if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to get to 25,000 subscribers, and I post daily crypto content. Also, I do want to say if you are a returning subscriber, remember, you can get my crypto and stock market buy, sell alerts for just $19 linked down below. Now, some of the coins I'm going to be talking about in this video, a lot of them you guys have probably already heard about on my channel, but these are coins that I am going to be holding and I'm going to be buying. So we are in a huge dip right now. Is this a market crash? Is this a correction? We're going to talk about that right now, but I want to say I do not just buy all these coins now just because I make a video on it. Certain coins that I'm talking about today, I won't buy, but I feel like it is a good buy. So with all that said and done, let's talk about what is happening today. So I guess the highlight, we'll take a look at Bitcoin, okay? We'll take a look at Ethereum, down 21%. Let's take a look at BNB. This is actually my largest holding, down 25%. Let's take a look at ADA. Doge is dead, it's been dying. XRP, huge dip, especially after the crazy rally they've been having. Polkadot, boom, down 31%. A bunch of other coins here. Litecoin, Chainlink, I hold Chainlink, and boom, this is down 29%, basically 30%. We have Polygon Medic, this is actually down 24%, recently performed very well. We have Theta that's down 34%. We have Tron, we have Aave, we have Filecoin. Every single coin is down. Shiba Inu, a meme coin, we'll talk about that in a bit as well. A lot of stuff, guys, is down. PancakeSwap, the cake token, one of my favorite tokens. I have, well, I guess had 5 figures worth of this token. Not anymore. The CRO token, we'll talk about that as well. Okay, so we're going to talk about a few tokens here. BitTorrent, another coin that I own, we'll talk about that. Sushi Swap, another one, down 30%. This was up yesterday. I think it was up 20% yesterday. SHIL is another one that's absolutely just in the toilet. Let's talk about all this stuff. Okay, so first off, I want to say, guys, Bitcoin is like the leader when it comes to crypto, okay? Whenever Bitcoin is down, everything else is just following Bitcoin. And recently, we've had Elon Musk just absolutely obliterate Bitcoin. We've had him tweet multiple times and just send the price of Bitcoin down. And it sucks to see, okay? When I look at Bitcoin at $37,000, this is an insane opportunity. Now look, when I'm investing in most of these coins, all right, except the meme coins, most of these coins, when I'm investing in them, I don't care if we hit a, I guess, market crash and we hit crypto winter and it's the bear market, okay? When I'm buying these coins, I plan on holding them for years without end. Now, don't get it twisted. I do take profits. And again, if you're in my crypto and stock market buy sell alerts, you guys know we take profits pretty often because at the end of the day, look, this is a Bitcoin, right? Now, let's just say I put $10,000 into Bitcoin and it turns into $15,000. Well, I want to have some of the money and I want to secure some of the profits. And a lot of times, if I am doing 2x on a coin, I will take out my initial investment and and I'll just let the rest of it just run risk-free. And that's the whole point of dollar cost averaging in and dollar cost averaging out. Now, with Bitcoin, man, I feel like now is going to be a very important time. If you want to accumulate one Bitcoin and become a whole coiner, I think now is a perfect time to do so. And honestly, guys, I am I'm close to pulling the trigger and putting a bunch of my money into Bitcoin, so I have one whole Bitcoin. Now, literally today, we saw Bitcoin hit, what is this, like $31,000, which is absolutely mind-blowing, considering it was at, like, what, $45,000 today. Like, look at the price, guys. Look at the insane volatility. 51,000 all the way down to 31,000, and then now it's back up to 38,000. It did actually recover, and it hit, what, 39,000. So that's just nuts. So first off, Bitcoin, everyone should be buying. Ethereum as well, everyone should be buying. Ethereum as well, insane movements in the past month, guys. We saw this literally go from 2,100 all the way up to what, 4,300, and boom, it absolutely went back to the toilet. Like, I don't know how to explain this. Back down to $2,000. I think everyone should at least hold a decent amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. Very, very important. Now, this one really broke my heart. Let's take a look at BNB coin. Now, this, like I said, is my largest holding right now. This started the day off trading at $500 all the way down to $370 right now. It even traded at $290. Now, guys, this is something that lost 50%, more than 50% of its value literally within a couple of days. And to me, that's very scary. And to me, it's not fun. It's not nice. Like I said, I woke up, I checked my portfolio, and it looked like crap. I was like, whoa, where did all my money go? And I had people messaging me like, Radies, like, what's going on? What's going on? Is the market blah, blah, blah. And guys, like I said, I'm not really too worried or affected by this because I'm investing for the long term. I'm not looking to get rich quick overnight with most of these coins. Now, there are some plays like, SafeMoon and Shiba Inu where I'm like, yeah, let me try and quickly make a 10x, whatever. But for the most part, I'm very, very conservative and I'm okay with these dips because I'll be buying more and I'm going to be waiting for years to come. Now, with BNB coin, guys, buying BNB under the $500 price is an absolute bargain in my opinion. Now, with the Binance Smart Chain continuing to just pump out more and more projects, I don't think Binance is going to be slowing down anytime soon. I really think this is a huge project and something that everyone should be having some interest to and doing your own research, guys. BNB, Binance, one of the, I think the biggest crypto exchange in the world. Like, it's to me a no-brainer, especially at this price. Okay, now moving on, let's take a look at Cardano, ADA. Guys, this is like Ethereum's little brother, and recently we saw Cardano have a crazy run up to $2 and yeah, almost $2.50. And again, it has literally lost insane amounts of value. Again, I'm not tripping out about this. Like, to me, this is fine. This is totally cool. Like, I bought Cardano around $1.20. We actually bought that in the alerts, I want to say like a week or two ago or whatever it was. And we've just been enjoying these profits. We have been shaving off profits as well. So this dip doesn't really affect me at all. I'm very bullish on Cardano due to the fact that they have their smart contracts releasing, I believe, sometime in the summer. So when that happens, we could see a similar pump to Binance, like the Binance Smart Chain. We might see like another ecosystem and just more people transitioning over to Cardano. If you guys aren't too familiar with Cardano and what exactly it does, really recommend doing some research because it's huge and has insane amounts of potential. All right, now moving along, guys, I want to try and keep this quick. XRP, they are trying to literally take over Swift, and this is something that I'm insanely bullish on, especially after doing my due diligence. Shout out to my boy Jans FX. He's a forex trader. He literally told me, Radies, research this, and finally I got around to doing it. I'm like, yeah, okay, wow, I was sleeping. So this is something that I'm going to be continuing to buy. Guys, I think every coin so far that I'm talking about is a strong buy at these prices for the long term. Now, will we continue to see a dip in the markets? I don't know, and I wish I could tell you, but I just can't, okay? So again, XRP, another one of those coins that I really, really like at this price. Polkadot, again, another one that is very, very interesting. Now, we were buying Polkadot, what price were we buying? I want to say around $35 that we were buying it at. And again, this has absolutely dipped. In my opinion, I do think Polkadot still has a lot of potential. It's very interesting, another interesting project that pretty much has more, I guess, like blockchain related technology. And again, I really do think Polkadot, you guys can see here, like it connects private chains, permissionless networks, oracles, and future technology. So it's very interesting, a very tech-related project. And like I said, I think it does have a lot of potential as well. Now, moving on, Polygon Medic. I'll be honest, guys, I haven't done my proper research and due diligence on this, but I remember one of my friends was telling me like, yo, Radies, go and cop some of this. And every single day, it just kept pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping. And I never actually got to pick some up because I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm just going to wait. Ideally, I should have dollar cost averaged in, but I still haven't done my research. But what I have heard is that this is a project that has a lot of potential. So very interested in Polygon/Medic as well. Before I do start my position, I do want to do more research. Now, Shiba Inu, okay, this is a meme coin down 36%. Guys, this has absolutely just died. For the sake of memes, I think this can pick up, right? I don't think this is a project that is going to be, really changing the world, solving any real world problem. But for the sake of the memes, for the sake of the community, I think that this can continue to pick up. And I think that there is a decent amount of potential here. So I'm still holding Shiba Inu. When I called Shiba Inu off, we did a 2x in the chat in my alerts group. We did a 2x and then I sold my initial investment. So my Shiba Inu is literally risk free. So to me, that's perfectly fine. Now, this token right here, like I said, I had nearly 5 figures of this token. But again, probably, I don't even know what it's at right now. And again, we saw an insane dip. I do think the cake token, my prediction was around $100. I made a specific video on the cake token. So if you guys want to check it out, go feel free to do so. In fact, for a lot of these tokens, I've made specific videos. So I have a whole cryptocurrency playlist. Just go into my channel, click playlist, and you can scroll through all the coins that I've done. I've done videos on almost all of these coins that I'm talking about. So make sure you guys can go and check that out. But with PancakeSwap, the PancakeSwap token, the cake token, I really like it because you can actually stake it and earn up to 130% APY on your cake token. So right now I have all my cake tokens just staked over there. It's just doing its thing. And like I said, I'm going to be continuing to accumulate more and just continue to stake it. And eventually, you know, I'll take it out and it will just pay me for, I don't know, maybe my car payments for the year or something like that, because it's just passive income. Super cool crypto project in my opinion, and has a lot of room to run, especially with the Binance Smart Chain growing and growing. Now, moving on, Crypto.com, the CRO token. Now, I initially said this was going to hit $1 Canadian, and I still think it could do that, but we need to see some more burns from the CRO token. I haven't made a CRO video in a long time, mainly due to the fact that there isn't really much news and everything is just kind of repetitive, and the price really hasn't changed at all. Like if you take a look at the past 3 months, it's been on a downtrend if anything, and literally like it barely moves. I know it did do a 2x from here, you know, for like 12 cents to 24 cents, but again, it's just like nothing. Like I guess it's volatile, but like there's just nothing really going on. Excuse me. And yeah, like I said, there's not much going on, so it's kind of interesting to see where this will go. Like I said, I am still bullish. I do still use Crypto.com, and I do still have their card. I have their metal credit card or metal crypto card coming in very soon. So again, stay tuned for that video. Now, I hope you guys are still with me. Thank you guys if you guys are still sticking around. If you guys are enjoying so far, leave a like on this video, drop a comment down below if you guys want me to cover anything in depth, and I'll do so. Now, BitTorrent, okay? This is another project that I recently opened a position in. I believe we are down on this position. Yeah, probably we are down on this position because everything is, yeah, just awful right now. This is something I'm very bullish on. BTT, this is something I've made videos on as well. It's pretty much like uTorrent, but the crypto version. So again, I made a video on this, a very, very interesting project. I think this down 26%, especially at this price, is an absolute no-brainer, especially considering we've seen this. Look, guys, like this nearly like come on, this is nuts. This has the potential to easily, I think, do a 2x, 3x within the next couple of weeks, especially at this low price, right? Like if we just take a look at the chart over here, we can see it hit like 1 cent at one point. And again, if we see where it is right now, we can easily, if we get back to this price point, we can see some nice gains. So BitTorrent, I might start to buy some more BitTorrent. Right now, I'm literally just trying to get as much cash as I can. I also have a big purchase coming up very soon, so it's kind of annoying how everything is just happening at the same time. But BitTorrent, I think, is very interesting as well. Now, another token, SushiSwap. This is pretty much like the PancakeSwap, but for Ethereum. I'll be honest, still haven't done much due diligence or research, but I did actually invest, I think, like $1,000 into this. And this was actually up a couple days ago. If you take a look at the last 7 days, it's kind of like funny. We were up like, I believe there was a 20% gain one day, and then boom, now we're down 32%. Again, I do think this is a potential project that has a lot of long-term potential, especially with Ethereum starting to be better with their gas fees and just improve more. And especially if you believe in the whole PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, Uniswap, and all those projects, I think it's very interesting. And like I said, SushiSwap, I want to do more research, but I think there's potential there. Now, the final one, this is one of my most favorite tokens as well, mainly because I'm a soccer or football fan, and that is actually SHIL. I do think SHIL has a lot of potential. Hopefully we can see it hit $1 or maybe even $2 by the end of the bull run. And again, we do see, I guess if you guys don't know what this is, it really involves like sports and like soccer teams and just all sport communities and fans and all that type of stuff. It's very interesting. I made videos on it before as well, so make sure you go check that out. Now, guys, just to wrap up this video, because I know this is a long one. Usually my videos aren't this long, but I do still think we are in the bull run. I think this is probably one of the worst days, and I think this is going to be one of the days that a lot of people kind of get shaken out of the markets. A lot of people today, they're looking at their portfolios, they're like, oh my God, like, a lot of people who don't know what they're doing are now going to be calling crypto a scam. They're going to be like talking a lot of crap to other people. They're going to be very emotional, very sad, very pissed. And I understand that, because when you lose a lot of money, like just like that, all you think is, oh my God, nothing's going to, whatever. Now remember, with all these projects that we just went over today, nothing changed other than the fact that the price, right? Nothing changed. Like Bitcoin is still Bitcoin. Ethereum is still Ethereum. You know, all these tokens are still, like, nothing has changed except the price. Now, you got to understand, when that is the case, you are essentially just receiving a discount on something you already own. Now, that's the mindset I have, and that's the mindset wise investors have, okay? remember, I've been investing for what, almost like 3 years now. And again, whenever something that I like is on sale, I would go and buy it. And that's how I look at investments as well. Today, I also did buy some stocks. If you are in my alerts, you guys know what stocks I buy. I bought 2 stocks actually. And again, I think right now is a perfect time to buy. Because again, even if this is the end of the bull run, me personally, I'm fine with that, and I'll stick with it, and I'll go to the next bull run, and I'll wait, I'll hold, because I'm not going to paper hands and just sell all my coins at a loss, because I know eventually with time these projects are strong projects, they will work out, and I can see myself profiting as well. Now guys, make sure you do your own due diligence. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about this market crash? And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like, hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to see more videos like this, obviously let me know, and until next time, remember, stay seeking success.